Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Facebook account from all of your devices on which you logged into. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to sign out or log out of all of your sessions on your Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see your interface will also be the similar like this one, whereas you'll be able to see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen, and after that you'll be landed on this interface where you can see the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Either tap over there, or you can see the settings and privacy option available at the bottom of your screen. Tap over there, and there is the settings option available over here. Tap on settings again, and this is the settings or the privacy preferences interface of your account, whereas there is the account category, and when we scroll down you can see the security category, and there is the security and login option available over here on the security category. Tap on security and login, and over this interface you can see there is the first one, recommended, and second one where you're logged into, and beside that option there is the see all button over there. Tap on see all, and this is the these are the every device you logged into your Facebook account. And when you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see log out of all sessions. Tap over there, and on the next step you can see this will log out, or this will log you out of Facebook from every device you're currently logged in on. If you didn't log in on any of the devices, you can help you secure account. Tap on logout, and you will be logged out from all of the devices that you logged into on your Facebook account. And there guys, this is how you log out of your Facebook from all of your devices. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.